Hey everyone, hope you're right. Let's start with my trade recap from today. As you can see, this is my first trade of the day. It's during the after hour session, 1 hour before London session, and you can see here that I'm on the ES chart. I took a 24 EMA rejection scalp trade here in this downtrend, and I also took it on the micro NQ chart with one micro. And the trading idea is the same. So let's see how this trade played out. I'm speeding it up. As you can see, I got filled on both take profits here, both on ES and on NQ. On NQ, my take profit was near the lows, but this 1 minute candle just took it way lower than expected. And yeah, not a problem here. And then after 1 hour on the clock, we are in a uptrend now. We claimed the previous day low, we changed market structure, and we're backtesting the previous day very low. So I enter with 5 micros here, and let's see if this trade plays out. I'm going to speed it up. So I got filled on my take profit 1, as you can see here, and then I place my stop to break even. And unfortunately, I get stopped in the rest of the position. Same trading idea here, backtest of the 24 EMA. As you can see, that 1 minute candle was really impulsive down to the 24 EMA. So it wasn't the best trading idea, but nonetheless, I had a 20 tick stop loss. Let's see if I get stopped out or not. So I don't get stopped here, not at first anyway. So then after price tried to reclaim 24, it just couldn't, and it came back. So right now we went lower from there. My trade was here in this area. We went much lower from here, lost the view up. We consolidated a bit around here. The previous day low all day has been a good support level, and we bounced from it. We rejected from the view up. And now after we've made this 1 minute consolidation here and we break out of it, on the 1 minute I enter with 2 micros, and let's see how this trade plays out. I place my stop to break even after TP1, and not long after we start to consolidate and I exit for another win. So right now, micro NQ, I should have entered right here on the 24 EMA. This is a late entry, nonetheless is a confirmed entry. So not a bad entry when it comes to that. But this trade took a while to play it out. And you can see here I compounded in this trade because the trading idea wasn't invalidated. We were just moving lower and lower. And at this point, I wanted to close because we came back over my entry and I was a bit underwater. But nonetheless, I held the trade, diamond hands. So I'm really proud of this trade because I held it all the way down, and yeah, we just went lower and I didn't close even. Now I placed my stop to break even and we went much lower, and then I closed the trade for a loss. So I'm pretty proud of that trade. So right now we bounced from there again. We claimed the previous day low, micro NQ chart, and I enter with 1 micro here on the backtest of the 24 EMA. So let's see if I'm going to get stopped or not. I place my stop right on previous day low because if you're going to lose the 1 hour trail, I want to be out of this trade. I don't want to be inside of the trade. So I get stopped, and you can see I took plenty of stop losses hit in today, but my risk management was on point. I only lost with 1 or 2 micros, so it wasn't so bad. This was a trade based on the fact that we claimed the 1 hour trail on NQ. This is during the NY Open. It's 6 minutes after the open, and we claimed the previous day very low. We backtested the VWAP, the New York VWAP, and right now we're pushing higher. So I was just confident in this trade and that we're going to see higher. So I didn't mind my entry being so bad in this trade because I just was patient enough for my take profit to be hit. And afterwards, this is another trade. We chopped around that area for a little while. We bounced from the New York VWAP, and now the New York VWAP is in confluence with the 24 EMA, and I liked how this trade looked. Let's see if it played out. No, it didn't. It stopped me out. Okay, moving to the next trade. This is it looks like a daily open short. It's a continuation short because we lost the 1 hour trail, and I thought we were going to see continuation lower, but I get stopped in this trade as well. And I tried this trading idea once more because we backtested the 1 hour trail. I'm trying to compound this trade adding another micro to it, and afterwards I'm trying to place my stop to break even to protect myself in case of the trade not playing out, and I get stopped at break even. Yeah, let's see. I get stopped in that trade at break even as well. This was a buy limit. No, I just took profit after 20 ticks at $10. This trade played out instantaneously, and I actually forget to remove my take profit, but it just played out, so I just went ahead and waited for this 1 minute candle close above the New York Open, and as I saw we close above the New York Open, I just decided to enter with 2 micros. I compounded the trade because it was playing out in my direction, placed my stop to break even, and afterwards I waited for a good reaction. But even now I'm in good profits and I'm waiting for a good place to get out, and I did just that. Wait a second, because this just went crazy on me. Okay, so it was here. I was waiting for a good place to get out, so I get out in I think $15 profit at this point, somewhere around here. Yeah, so I closed the trade for the remaining profit. Right now I took this short. It looks like a 35-1, but it's, yeah, it didn't play out. 24 EMA backtest in an uptrend. Yeah, I took it both on NQ and ES. We had a nice move up, and after that move up, we backtested to 24 for continuation higher. I took it on ES with 1 mini and on NQ with 3 micros, and this trade was a really nice trade, a really good trade. It played out, and yeah. Okay, I closed it for a win, and that was the last of my trade for today. Let's see how I performed. Oh, I closed out at us, but yeah, I made somewhere around $400 per account today, so I'm pretty proud of that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this one.